Okay, sit down. Sit. Good girl. Can I do this one-handed? Did I get my fingers there? Let's take this off. Oh, let me find it. You're such a good girl. Such a good girl. Okay. No, sit. I said oh. I said the O and the K word too quickly. All right, come on. She has to ask for permission in a sense. Okay, golden hour. And we are going to spend some time with the chicks. Actually, Chloe's not going to. She may think she is, but nope. Got the mail. Got our walk done. Oh, I forgot to lock the door. Oh, look at that. The door is open. That would be bad. It's our craft table, if you were wondering. My house is kind of messy, so let's close the doggy door. And okay, you stay here. I gotta go get the little chicks. Okay, you stay inside. Stay cool. All right. Oh, there's my two old ladies, Brownie and Big Mama. But let's go give them some seeds so I can let the little ones out. They got some pine shavings today. And as soon as that's all broken down, hello ladies, as soon as that's all broken down, then they will get, I'm going to come in here with a shovel, get all the rocks out of it, and put it in this garden. All right, let's get you some snacks. Want some snacks? Watch out. That one. We got some molting going on or some picking on. I am not sure which one it is. Probably picking on. Oh, now I'm walking in holes. Okay, Pearl. Dino 1. Get down. How am I supposed to get in there? All right. And then a little bit for the babies. Put my lid back on. Okay, and I think they're all inside. Oh, I gotta count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, good. We're good. Oh, the babies know they're coming out. Close them in. They do fight if I let them out at the same time, so we don't do that anymore. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, come on kids. Don't look like this. And then, oh, I was going to bring the tortoise some food. Oh, we got one sleeping in each. Down there. You see him in there? Oh. Hard to see. Let's do this. There's Jessie. And there's Jamie. Okay, back to the little birds. Ah, Mr. Roo's feathers, tail feathers are beautiful. They're all green. I don't know where Peg's at. I only see 4 and 4. Maybe I'll have to get up. Oh, there's number 5 there. Peg must still be inside. Watch out, babies. No. Oh, there's Peg. Doing great on standing and walking. His feathers still aren't quite as beautiful as Mr. Roo's. All right, let me go back and sit down. Sorry, chicks. Oh my goodness sakes. So I have been, oh goodness, I have been away. I was gone for almost a week to San Diego, doing Navy stuff. I am retired Navy, retired chief, but I still participate in the chief season. And, well, how about that? Oh my goodness. Anyway, so I was in San Diego for the majority of the week and then exhausted when I got home, so we haven't done any videos with the two of us. Ty went hunting on Saturday, saw a doe, but he needed one with antlers on it, so that's about it for catching up. Ooh, here comes one coming in hot. Mr. Roo says, Oh, Jesse's out. Probably looking for food. They have cactus in there. Boy, they went through that scratch pretty darn quick. I see just a little bit of it left. I had a whole block of the pine shavings in there, not torn apart, and they tore it all apart. See, they're doing it right now. Wow, you want to be higher than everyone else, huh? That's a first. They do roost on the bars that are in their pen there. Up pretty high too. You got 4 of them on one and 5 on the other. Ooh, get it. Chasing skeeters, aren't ya? You chasing skeeters? Get them so they don't get me, okay? Yeah. Oh. I still don't think I have any roos in the barred rocks, which are the black and white ones. I mean, the reds, you can totally tell the difference because they're all the same age. And the 2 roosters from the reds are definitely bigger than all of the hens. Taller, that is. No crows yet from the roosters, though. Oh, I see one of my hens inside. Talking to Mr. Roo. Let's see. Oh. Talking through the fence. Do you smell the testosterone? Huh? It's pretty funny. Pretty funny. Okay, I told myself 10 minutes. There we go with 10 minutes, and I'm going to call it quits. Put the chicks away. Hi, ladies. Everybody have a good night.